regular pag naka-10 stomach. So we got our drinks, Spanish latte. Yeah. May bago silang stock. Ay, hindi. Oo nga, tama.
Bagong brand to,
Wait, check. Kung ano yung laman.
Escape vegetable. Ayan.
Ano yung mga nasa gilid? Yung nasa gilid, babe. Ang mga vegetables sila. Walang ano. Walang sample. Yeah. Pero ito, mas bet ko to. Cheers! So, we are trying one. And we don't know what to pick. Pero ito na-try na namin itong mga things. And you know what happened after. So, I'm thinking if this one or this one. Wala. So they're disposing the Christmas gift set and it's on sale for 130 now. Dating 259. So I guess it's a steal, but I'm still doubting the lotion. But I think it's good for 130 na din. And then this one, the handwork DIY crochet. I forgot kung magkano siya before, pero ngayon 99 na lang. Pangit. So we bought cheesy creamy spot.
Ano lang yan ni Madre?
Thank you, Lord. Ako talaga kanina pa. Na-hospital ako. Diba? Lemon.
Thank you po. So I have shawarma rice with strawberry ring. Then sa kanya lychee. So we are going to make matcha. So I will be using the matcha powder from Little Retail Page. So hi everyone, I just made a matcha.
が解ければ何かの手がかりになるか。道を尋ねてもいいかな。グランメリルアンにレオンが手裏だ。探しましたよ。全くすぐ
And I need condense for my matcha bar.
Yung green po niya po. Spicing
Ngayon ko na lang ulit nakita tong lagayan ng Coke Float nila, guys. So, I have my matcha here. So, let's unbox my parcel, guys. So, I've seen this on TikTok, pero mas mura pa siya sa Shopee. So, I think this is only for 99 pesos. Pero nang double check ko, naging 100 plus na siya. So, I got this only for 230 pesos. Tapos tatlo na siya. Kaya, so guys, I'm going to ask kung 500 lang ba to kasi gusto talaga ni mama. So let's confirm it. So yung 579 lang siya. Buti tinanong ko. Parang ayaw ko naman ng tingles. So we just claim our McDonald's points, yung 2-piece chicken.